If you've ever entered the wrong social security number on Cash App or need to update it for any reason, don't worry, you're not stuck. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step so you don't run into issues with verification or sending money. Stick with me until the end because I'll share both the safest method and a backup solution if support can't help. Here's the first and recommended way: contacting Cash App support. Open your Cash App and tap on the profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down until you see Support and tap it. From there, go to Account and Settings, then Edit Personal Info. Scroll to the very bottom and tap Chat. This opens a message box where you should clearly explain that you need to change your social security number. Be specific. Include that the number is incorrect or outdated and submit the request. Then, wait for their response. They usually reply with instructions or next steps to verify your identity before making the change. If for some reason support can't help, there's an alternative, but it's a little more extreme. You can delete and recreate your Cash App account. Go back to your profile, scroll to close your Cash App account, read the instructions carefully, and confirm closure. Once your account is fully closed, you can create a brand new Cash App account and enter the correct SSN during setup. You cannot directly edit your SSN inside the app settings yourself. Support must make the change. That's why contacting support is the safest and easiest first step. Account deletion should be your last resort, and that's it. By following these steps, you can get your SSN updated and keep your account working properly. If this tutorial helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more quick Cash App guides, and check the description for other helpful links.